na iko nga topic
Mo
ko.
la friend ni la child. Gambia kala vikala la Gambia bola ni ring.
Okay, now muna dina aka ni usendera they cannot get their money. Why they cannot get their money?
Talk to me down. Talk to me down. Okay. He left the view that don't sense and view dealer. He left it out viral sense and a viral dealer. He wouldn't telephone.
I'm already viral ever since, you know.
It is viral in the sea. It's viral in the sea. Child.
I'm not competing with you, bro. That's what I want.
So send on Nadiamu Dumala. Nadiam Santola. Ni left Nadiam Santola. Let's go. You know me. I'm a battle fighter. Okay?
Bounty.
Please.
Bounty.
More la zero kanatina boy be from acting the content. Please.
Bounty. Iko.
Mkwaya 9 bar start duma. Mkwaya 9 bar start duma. Yale te bida kan sign ninsi yalla. Ndebite say ya. Ni mammoy naka yeke ninso de naka sewot.
Bounty nyul lakodo anyanta jola, you know.
Akoba.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Don't ask me that. Nata duma na diamot. Ndeni dara tobi gomen kono somanda wala 9 bars la programo. Let's go for that. All right?
No.
Let's sell that man sell ka contra money. Ni la talo non diamot.
No, okay? Boy,
ni la diamla santo, child, ni la diamla santo, ni la na vex sign, be vex la, okay? Time ba jere ka ibe over yap kana.
No, Bounty me yap.
Ni melon di elon na da.
No, ala ko tonya melong. Sorry, me yap, you know. Me yap.
Okay.
Me yap anun te yap la an nena te yap la, you know. But iko nga diamo ni ngabula kodi.
Abula.
Woto ite mantelong. Woto imantelong. Me disrespect, nge respect le maximumly, but diamo ni.
Kana nyim view jibe. Chai, kana nyim view jibe.
About the view.
So abula. Kapani mandu amba for the China abula. Mina get inside you don't want. You want people to come. I can call people will come.
Bounty.
Abula, let's continue. Mbe 9 bars samanda kachane ngona. Let's do that. Okay.
Bounty muna tina mba bulale. Una tina nyilo kudo.
Kanela nyim comment sol jibe. Chai, ndela boy. You for a mansa boy. Ndela mo boy. Kanela nyim comment sol jibe. Nu wole be suku ka boy. There I know you. Okay. Ite from volunteer. Okay. Chai.
Send money to the Gambia through APS Money Transfer with very convenient exchange rates. Use the referral link in the description below to register and send money with APS.